to light the way. Making nursing stupid simple every day.
You look at your patient's neck and notice bulging veins. That's called JVD. What does it mean, and why should nurses care? Let's make JVD stupid simple. JVD means Jugular Venous Distention. It's when the jugular vein in the neck looks visibly enlarged. Normally, blood returns to the heart smoothly, but if the heart can't keep up or fluid builds up, blood backs up into the venous system and shows up in the neck veins. Common causes include right-sided heart failure, where the right heart can't pump blood forward, fluid overload, meaning too much fluid in the bloodstream, cardiac tamponade, where fluid squeezes the heart so it can't fill, and pulmonary hypertension, where high pressure backs blood up. JVD is usually assessed with the head of the bed elevated 30 to 45 degrees. Think like a nurse. If you see JVD, assess lung sounds, edema, oxygen status, recent weight gain, and intake and output. NCLEX trap. JVD is a sign, not a diagnosis. Don't automatically assume heart failure. Ask, why is blood backing up?
Hey, real quick before you leave. If this lesson helped you, give it a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to No BS Nursing. Don't forget to hit the bell so YouTube actually tells you when I post something. And if you want worksheets, case studies, cram sheets, NCLEX questions, and bonus content, head over to my Patreon. The link is in the description below. Thanks for hanging out with me, and remember, nursing doesn't have to be complicated. We're making it stupid simple.